Okay, let's continue with the different bags adjustment to the main pack. And in this interface, you can press this debug function on and press the next. The machine will absorb the bags. And let me press the touchscreen next. The machine will go on the next step to open the pouch. And now you will see the clamp cannot keep the bag since this bag is the smaller width. So let's adjust the clamp area. When the clamp can catch the bag, that is the right way, and we fasten the screws. And the object also is the same adjustment rate. To ensure the clamp can keep the back waist firmly, and this is the right way to prevent you adjust the clamp on the right position. Okay, now you can see the clamp would already catch the bags, and let's start the next step. Open the zipper. The vacuum pump now is absorb the pouch top, and clamp keep the pouch edge. Open the pouch. Now the top was opened, and next the clamp loosening. And my next step, open it completely. You can see now the pouch top and down was open completely. This top. Now it's all ready for filling. The filling hopper now is plugged in the pouch. Filling. Now it's filling and vibrating the hopper and vibrating the pouch to remove the dust on the pouch edge and sealing the pouch. Next, output the pouch.